specifically, you've heard of the term cafeteria plan.
Hmm.
Okay, so we are if that cafeteria plans fall under Section 125 of the Affordable Care Act. We technically are a cafeteria plan. Okay, so with everything you're seeing falls under Section 125. Now, something else I want to mention. When we looked at this initially and we saw the opportunity in the space, which is for us, this is, I mean, we're looking at nine-figure potential on this on this opportunity in this space. That's when we got into this 2 years ago. So that's what we were looking at. So the one thing that we had in mind was biggest question we had was, okay, what's our runway here? What if the next administration scraps the Affordable Care Act? Where does that leave us, right? Does that pull the plug on this? And so with that said, our plan is fully ACA compliant, but we are not ACA contingent. In other words, the ACA could go away tomorrow and we're still in business. Okay. All of our tax codes we utilize predate the Affordable Care Act. So that's probably a more advanced training down the road. The only thing, I shouldn't say only, but the primary concern in terms of longevity here would be if we had a dramatic healthcare overhaul. If we went single payer, for example, that would probably cause some concern and probably pull the plug on our system. So could that happen? Sure. Is it going to happen anytime in the next couple of years? Probably not, right? So it's safe to say we probably got at least 4 years because let's say there's a new administration. Let's face it, the Trump administration is not going to a full pay, single payer, right? They might make
Hmm.
some changes, and it looks like they have their sights set on the ACA. But unless they overhaul it where it's a single payer system, doesn't matter what changes they make, we're still good to go because our tax codes essentially rely on the employees being able to take advantage of a pre-tax deduction for their health care. Okay, so the ACA can change and to some degree it won't impact us unless they make major changes to employees using a pre-tax deduction for their health care. If that goes away, then we have problems. Make sense?
Hmm.